November 2012. Just a while after Hurricane Sandy, we got hit by a snowstorm. Not exactly normal in November for New York. This is supposed to be a bush, which isn't even the more impressive thing we've seen today, being that it's 5 a.m. Well, there you go. Tree branches being pulled down by snow pretty badly, because that's supposed to be, supposed to be able to walk under this. And well, this is at head height I'm filming. Here's some more interesting stuff. Power cords, or phone lines, whatever they are actually really low. We actually took the snow off of this one, and it's still within reach of a truck to hit. So hopefully no one hits this before a call gets through. But all the power lines are basically the same way. They're all dangling really low. You can see it's just above the minivan. They're all like this. Of course, people still don't have power, since Hurricane Sandy did just come by. My friend just got his power back today, and